introduce you to an excellent virtual whiteboard. Virtual whiteboards have gained much popularity and is of great significance during any remote session where you need to work as a team and collaborate with ideas. One commonly spread myth about any remote session is that effective collaboration is not possible as you can in person. Maybe it was true once upon a time, but not anymore with a number of digital tools available and that too for free. Miro is such a platform which will leave you impressed and excited. Miro helps you to present your content the way you like it. You can see and summarizes your entire work in one shot. It makes you feel content and a smile on your face. Unleash your creativity and organize all your ideas in a loop.
So let's get
You can
started.
search for Miro.com and sign up with Google. Select the email ID and you wish to use to continue with Miro. As you log in, you can see hundreds of free templates to help your team plan and coordinate tasks. You can click on the new board to create a shared board. You can see this zoomable canvas is one of the most exciting features of Miro, and this toolbar that is seen on the left is called the object menu. It helps to add new objects to our board. You can see toolbar at the bottom line too. You can invite co-workers and remote groups to hold real-time brainstorming and ideation sessions. Next, we will start by selecting the text icon or simply drag and drop the text icon to this canvas. We can start typing the heading or the subheadings. We can use bullet points to organize the points, and there is also an option to hyperlink. To make the look attractive, we can fill the box with desired color and even adjust the opacity of this box. Now it's time to add few multicolored sticky notes to organize the ideas. The appeal of sticky notes is that they can be attention grabbers and persuasive tool for communication. Add as many sticky notes as you want. We also have option to put this entire content into a frame. Frames are essential to structure your content on board. Select the desired frame, organize this material and move the frame to the left. Next, if I intend to show a video to my team or students, we can paste the link so that the video get uploaded here. As you can listen here, the audio is also of very good quality. You can see a sidebar named Apps where diverse options are available. Even you can capture a web page and snip the insignificant parts from this web page. The next task I have decided to do is to share a table. I use the pen tool to select the pen and highlighter. You can add freehand drawings to this and remove them if need arise. This tool works well with mouse. Use presets to easily switch from one color and thickness to other. Now you can insert this into a frame and you can swipe it to the left. The next tool I plan to use is a concept map template from the template picker. Even I don't want to create a concept map, I can find a suitable template from this wide range of templates. I can assign my student teams with the task they should do and even view the work as they collaborate and progress with their task. I can even post comments by selecting the comment from the object menu and post it to the students so that they can update their works. My next task is to select the frame that is most appropriate for this content, fit it to the right size and next move it to the left. Along with this concept map, I can also ask my students to refer the notes that I am giving to them that can be in the form of PDF or some images. As you can see, multiple uploading of files is also possible. You can adjust the screen size, even you can zoom in, zoom out and pick the right frame to adjust these also. You can also see that card option is available in the sidebar and you can use it to assign tasks or check the status of assigned, ongoing or completed task. These cards provide us with a structured way to add more details or plan effectively. Even you can assign the task with due date. You can add colors from palette to card. It's also possible to add 8 tags to each card. It helps to keep the work organized and you can plan very effectively using these cards. Suppose I need to pinpoint a particular frame and clarify doubts or add points. I can pick easily from these frames and even go for a PowerPoint presentation. So here is the larger picture of our exciting board with multiple frames. Next feature is even interesting and useful as we can export the entire board into desired format and save or use as our handouts. Not all templates equally work for all, so select the right one for you and enjoy the beauty of Miro. Miro is simple and flexible. So don't you think it's time to try Miro and make your classes more interesting and effective?